In a stirring statement on Saturday, opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa predicted the imminent collapse of ZANU-PF regime, calling on Zimbabweans to remain hopeful amid its ongoing challenges. Sanapinda mashoko antagwa aiwa na Advocate Nelson Chamisa umozoti aiva vatara mashoko nyika yese aiva inonyevenutsika moyo. Sanapinda mashoko anotaura aiwa achiti aiwa vakomana akamusatombohwara ZANU-PF tatova turning point yava kutoparara noti subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Timina pazimu aiva nyara vachiti Chamisa's remarks come as political and economic pressures mount on President E.D. Mnangagwa's administration. Addressing the nation, Chamisa acknowledged the severe trials many Zimbabweans are facing. He said, "Fellow Zimbabweans, many of us are facing incredible challenges, innumerable obstacles and unmerited persecution, trials, tribulations, nothing lasts forever." His words underscore a belief that the current difficulties are temporary and that better days are ahead. Chamisa encouraged resilience and faith, invoking a message of hope and divine intervention. He added, "And let steadfastness have its full effect, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing." Chamisa's statement also reflects a broader strategy of mobilizing support through religious and motivational rhetoric, aiming to inspire hope and unity among his supporters. He concluded with a message of solidarity and blessings, saying, "Family Sabbath, blessings to you all. Remember, God is in it." Mashoko anobuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa aiwa anorangaridza kugara munyika yeZimbabwe, haangoramba akanyarara but anovaudza kuti aiwa vakomanaka, yes tinoona kuti vamwe vari kusangana nezvinhu zvakasiyana siyana, matorture, abductions, but aiwa tambopfuura neko zvinopfuura, aiwa Kenani yava pedyo. Mashoko anobuda tagona Nelson Chamisa awa. Pinda comment section medu, musangana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.